Hi mates, today I'm gonna show you how to download Netflix on your PC, and as you can see, for that we're gonna use Microsoft Store, and it's legal, don't worry about it. You won't get some virus or some hacks on your PC. So how to open Microsoft Store. So first click on Windows Searcher here and search for Microsoft Store like this, open it, and here we have Microsoft Store. So search here for Netflix like that, app, the first app, wait, it's loading, and then click on get. Now it's loading. Now click on install and wait a few seconds, and as you can see, it's installed quickly. Now click on launch, and as you can see, you already have Netflix on your PC. It's free, you don't have to worry about it. As I said, you won't get some virus or some hacks. You don't have to worry about it. And if I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, you can comment down below the video in the comments, and I'll try to respond in a few days. And see you next video. Bye.